Hello everyone, and welcome to the video today. Today's video is going to be pretty quick, but I just wanted to show you how I edit and then also upload a blog to my website. Pretty simple, and I just kind of wanted to walk through the steps with you in case you were considering starting a blog of your own, or if you want to just kind of figure out an easier, more efficient way to create and edit blogs, post, and post them to your site. I use a hosting platform and a website called Wealthy Affiliate. It's actually how I learned to blog in the first place and how I learned to monetize my blog. It has tons of training and all kinds of stuff, but the other cool thing about Wealthy Affiliate is it's actually a hosting website. So you can host any of your websites you own, you can host them here for one price. Okay, you're not going to find that anywhere else. If you go somewhere else, you're going to have to pay per website. And this one, I believe, offers, I think I can have 25 websites. I know that deal might be going away soon. They're going to reduce it down to, I can't remember if it's 10. But still, I mean, who has 10 websites? I don't know if anybody has that many, but it's still a great deal. And it's all for one price. So that's why I use it. So this is it right here. I'm actually logged into my WA account. And all I do is I go here to websites, and then I go to site content, which I've kind of talked about in a couple of other videos that I have. But this is where I write all my blog posts. You can see a bunch of them here for all my different websites. It doesn't really matter which one I have. I have a camping website. I have Make Money Online. I have a couple of other niche websites. But here's where I write all of them. These are all of my published ones. I've got a couple unpublished that I'm working on. Also have templates. But I'm going to show you the one I just created, which is right here. This is a little blog post about a survey site. It's called Survey Time, and it's just a review of that particular website. So I've already written out the article, as you can see. Added some imagery, which is super easy. You just click right here. Add an image. You can either upload or you can search. So I can search for, it doesn't pertain to this particular blog post, but let's search for kittens. It's going to bring up stock photos that you can use that are copyright free of all the little cute kittens you can put on your, whatever. But I mean, you see what I'm saying. You can search for anything, and these are ones that you can use that are free. Or you can just upload your own, which is what I've done here. Okay, I'm not going to upload an image right now, but okay, so I have it all written out. I've added my links via this button here. I've checked the grammar and the spelling, which is a great feature that the site content has. It has everything you need, and it also shows me how many words, how many paragraphs, and how many headings I've used. And so I can just basically do it all from here. And then I'm going to show you how easy it is basically to throw this over to my website and upload it. So since I've done all this, all I have to do is hit publish. As you can see, this right here is the save button, so I recently saved it. That's why it's like that. So all I'm going to do is hit publish, and I'm going to choose the website I want to send it to, and it's going to be a post, and I'm going to publish as admin. Okay, and there's the permalink. You can change it if you want. I wouldn't recommend doing that. There's really no reason to. So that's all you got to do, and then you just hit publish. And what it's going to do, as you see it here, it says it's checking that content is unique. And then we go to this page here, which says, awesome, your post has been published. And you can ask for site comments if you want, if you're using the WA platform, of course. But for right now, I am just going to go to, what I like to do is edit it in WordPress, because what it has been done is it's actually gone and published it on my website. But I like to tweak a few things after I do that. And this is just really doing some SEO work, but I'll show you what I do. So here I am in my WordPress back office here. And so this is the post. We can view the post right here. I'll show you what it looks like currently. So this is my website, so it's already up and running here. So here it is, just like I showed you a minute ago. There's the images that I had added. They're all there. And from this point, I like to look at it and kind of see, is there things I can change? Maybe I don't like, the size of this image. I can go back into the post and maybe resize it or something like that. Those are just little tweaks you can make after the fact. Okay, and I just go through and check everything, the images. So I'm going to go back to Edit Post, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that I tend to do after I have published from the site content area. What I like to do is go down here. This is where I add my categories that I, might want to add. So this would be under scam reviews, maybe easy money making. Okay, so I add my categories, add any tags that I want. This is all, like I said, for SEO purposes. And I can set the featured image, which is what I do is set it here. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to upload a file. Okay, so it's uploading, and here on this side I can add any alt text that I want. So, oops. Okay, and then I can set the featured image. Okay, so there it is. So what that's going to do is it won't show it right here on the in the editor, but when I go and view the post again, once I update, let me update. When I go and view the post again, it will be right here up at the top. This is just, honestly, this is really just the particular theme that I'm using for my website, for my post, my website. Different themes handle it different ways, so you just got to figure out which one the best way for you to add a top web banner at the top. So I'll show you. I'll go back to viewing the post, and I'll show you. See, now there's the image. Okay, gives it a little imagery before it starts up. So we'll go back to Edit Post, and I'll show you one more thing I like to do. The SEO. So I'm going to go all the way down here to the bottom. Alright, so I have the all-in-one SEO pack on mine. That's what I recommend. I like it. Some people use a couple of other ones that are also good. This is just the one I use. It's no big deal. Lets you kind of see what it's going to look like in Google search. So this is what it would look like. And so I just make sure it's everything that I want. My title is correct, the description. This is just picking up the first few lines of my the paragraph at the top of the page. So I can change this here. I just type it in here. I'm also going to add my keywords. Separated by a comma, of course. Should do that kind of stuff. They also have social. So this is what it's going to look like on your social media sites. And so you can add the description here, pick an image that it's going to show up. So whenever time you post it to, I don't know, Instagram or Facebook or any of those things, this is what's going to get pulled. So I'm going to update. And this is a super simple platform to use. I'm not really going to go into all the details as far as WordPress and how you do certain things, like for instance let's see, if you were going to add a link, you just highlight add link here, boom. I'm not going to go ahead and do that. I've already added the links within site content, which is one of the reasons I really love the site content platform within WA, amidst everything else that they offer. The website hosting and all that is great. It's some of the best as far as security and the speed that they offer you for your websites. But they also have all these great tools. This is one of them. They also have all the trainings right here, and then the live events, which is I'll just touch on this real quick because this is where I learn a lot of new information. Every Friday, this is about a 1 to 1.5 hour video that they put on every Friday. I mean, look at all these topics. This is here. I've been going through these recently. This is about Pinterest and how you can utilize Pinterest to gain more traffic. They got some case studies here. You can go back and watch all of them if you want. I mean, there's years and years and years of these things. But they're all up to date. Really helps you just kind of stay on top of things. I love it. One other thing I'll point out real quick about the WA platform is the research, which is they have their own keyword research tool, which just makes it super simple. So here it is. It's Jaxie. And you can check your site rank, kind of see how that's going. You can create keyword lists. You can brainstorm, do the alphabet soup technique. If you don't know what that is, that's just a technique for coming up with keywords for your SEO. So they got a ton of things within Jaxie. Let's see, I think I have it pulled up. Here it is. This is how I figured out the keyword I wanted to use for this particular blog post I have. I went in here and I typed in a few things. This is what I came up with, is what is survey time about. It looks like it gets over close to 3,000 searches a month. That's what this column means. The traffic you can expect to get if you're ranked within the first page of Google is you're going to expect to get about 501 visitors based on this keyword. The QSR, which all this means, if you don't know, is this is how many competing websites you have. 18. Pretty low for this keyword. That's awesome. That's why the SEO ranking here is a 93. This is basically like a 0 to 100 ranking. Think of it like your grades in school, so this would be definitely an A. And it also will tell you your grade. So that's Jaxie. That's another program that I use as well. It's you get that within the Wealthy Affiliate platform. Just like I said, it's right here. So that's how I upload a blog post to my website. Yeah, so here's my website. I'll just show it to you on the front page. It's going to be right here. Here it is. There's a bunch of my other ones that I've recently done. It's so simple. I mean, it really has made my blog posting a lot more efficient. I'm able to crank out a lot more content, which is honestly the key to having success with any online business, is being able to just constantly create content and get that out to people. So if you want to check out Wealthy Affiliate for yourself, I would definitely recommend it to anybody who has a blog, or if you're looking to get into it. They have a great community. As you can see, this is the community dashboard here. They ask questions, all kinds of stuff. They got all the training that you would need to get started. And it's one of the best platforms that I know of for anybody building a website or anybody that is looking to get into affiliate marketing. This is my number one recommendation, to be honest with you. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave a description. I'll leave a link in the description for you, and you can go check it out. It's free. If you upgrade, which I recommend you do if you're serious about making money, but you don't have to. But it's free. You can stay free forever. A lot of people do. Or you can upgrade. It's a great price for what you get. You're not going to find comparable out there. You're not going to find anything with this much value out there, because you're just going to be able to host your websites, the training. I mean, I've been through it all already, but you know what I'm saying. The price is out of this world. And so, but check it out. You can go in the description, and there'll be a link there, and you can sign up for free, kind of get a little test drive with it, check it out, see if it's really your cup of tea or not, and you can just go from there. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. That helps me out. And also consider subscribing if you are interested in this kind of content. And if you are on your own journey with affiliate marketing or building your own website and just making a full-time income online, then yeah, definitely subscribe, leave a comment. And would love to hear about your journey and see how all of y'all are doing. I wish you all the success, and I will see you in the next video.